Dublin Methodist Hospital. Doctor's Hospital, Nelsonville.
How's the kids?
Pretty good.
That's good. Send little Jimmy off to college?
No, I didn't save any money for him because I don't care. Oh, hey, look, it's Tyler.
Hey! Do you want to go to the tropical rainforest?
Cures for more hearts and treats more stroke patients than any other health system in Central.
Get in!
Alan Jarrod, did you know in this tropical rainforest it rains 96 inches a year?
My GPS says we are 23.45 degrees north.
There is a dry season and a rainy season. The coldest month here is in February. It is 86 degrees out.
Severe storms bring most of the rain to the forest.
I like cats. The warmest month here is about 89 degrees. That is all.
What's wrong? Ah! A tree snake! For the queen! I caught a bat! Ah! Like a monkey! Die, vile creature!
That's amazing!
Watch out! Poo, 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 poo!
Okay, right now. Did you know rainforests get wiped out every year from logging?
Like him?
Mahogany is found here.
That tree.
Broad-leafed evergreen.
The lion ass spreads from tree to tree when it gets tall. Cool!
Say it again.
Cool! Cool!
Cool.
Subway! Back to the cars. We'll drive back to Ohio. He bounce on, guys!
Still? Go.
Jarrod, are you ready to go? Yeah, Jarrod. We left him in the rainforest! In the rainforest! Back up! We gotta leave him! We got him! Let me spin! We're spinning at high speed!
Ah! How are we back in Ohio?
Kyle, what are you getting? What?
What are you getting?
What am I getting? Yeah. Footlong spicy Italian. With quarter. You ready? Jarrod! Let's go! Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story.